Hey guys, so today we are moving the Cuda from deep storage to the shop. So yeah, it's a little over, 9,500 miles to move it to. And then she'll be in the area we can start working on it. So Cuda revival today. Really looking forward to having this thing in the shop where we can start picking away at it. So put the new rims on it. Whoops, rims right there. Got the new rims that we bought from a real good guy. And yeah, it's starting to look up. So on the road we are. Talk to you soon. Cuda on the move. Headed from storage to the shop. Time to start making things happen on this car. It's sat long enough. Woohoo! On the move. Okay, we made it. We're down at the unit, at the shop. Getting ready to unload it. Danny's pulling the M3 out. Got to move some stuff around. Pull a trailer out that's got a snowmobile on it. You got to pull that out. Going to get the 318 IS today. And then, so yeah, we got to move some stuff around and get busy. Woohoo! So we got everything moved in and started put them in their position. The M3 here's got to go back to the house, so that will not be in here. The Firebird right here will be in front because they're going to be working on that right now. I have stuff to do on that one. The 318 IS. This is Danny's 318. This is going to be moved probably up here like this in this area. And then the 1602, which is in our other garage, will come from under the mezzanine and then stick out about halfway. So we did the mezzanine so that we could put tires and what have you up there, and then the car can be like under it and half used. Eventually I think we'll build another one of these like right out here, just to give us that much more space up there, because you know, rebuilding cars, as seen here and here and here and here and here. We got 4 doors for the Cuda, a couple fenders for the Cuda. You know, there's a lot of parts. You know, we've got boxes of bolts and hinges and trim and everything for this Cuda. And then, you know, like right here is some Firebird parts. You know, there's just a lot of stuff around. So this trailer goes out, and then, you know, welder, toolboxes, junk like that has to come in yet before we can get everything so we can work on it. But starting to get moving, starting to work on it. It's a rainy day, so there's not much to do there. So yeah, it's like 63 degrees and rainy out. And well, you know, getting all this stuff under one roof and getting it moved is a big step for us. That gives us more space and gives us more, you know, can work on one thing until you run out of stuff to do on that thing and jump to the other thing. And, you know, it just makes it so you're more productive. You always have something going on, whether you're waiting for parts or whether, you know, something's got to be welded, you're not ready for it, or what have you. So built this mezzanine this morning and got the Cuda moved yesterday. So those are all good things, and we'll start moving forward and making some more videos as we're working. So yeah, it was a bunch of driving, so not much to video, just you know, loading and unloading the car, and really wanted to concentrate on getting the car unloaded without it falling, so didn't video that. I was gonna do it with the time lapse here yesterday, but I brought the wrong fitting for my tripod, so that didn't work out. But anyways, I'm gonna get busy moving some tires, and then I'll probably go work on this video. get it out for you guys. So moving forward, moving up, getting ready to have a working shop. So, you know, life has been busy for us as we're making plans for our future and working on that right now. So it's kind of put the cars on a back burner for a couple weeks, but I'm really anxious to start making progress on that again. So now that we got the shop, I can bust in here, work for 2 or 3 hours, and then go to work. And it's just a good getaway. But lot more to do. Danny and I are just getting it set up. Lighting and stuff's a little goofy here, so we're gonna have to straighten that out next. But here we go. So that's the ending of this video, and I'll try to get it up tonight, and then we'll see you on another video later in the week. So have a good one. Happy Sunday. Hope you're all having a good day, and we'll talk to you more this week.